Creating a flipbook in Canva is a fantastic way to showcase your designs, presentations, or portfolios in an engaging and interactive format. Let's walk through the process step by step. Begin by selecting a template that suits your project. Canva offers a variety of templates for brochures, magazines, and reports. Once you've chosen a template, customize it to fit your content. You can add text, images, and adjust the layout to match your style. Ensure consistency in your design to maintain a professional look throughout the flipbook. After finalizing your design, download it as a high-quality PDF. This format preserves the quality of your images and text, making it ideal for digital flipbooks. Next, upload your PDF to a flipbook platform like Flipbook or Publu. These platforms convert your static PDF into an interactive flipbook with a realistic page flipping effect. You can further enhance your flipbook by adding multimedia elements such as videos, links, and forms to engage your audience. Once your flipbook is ready, share it with your audience. You can embed it on your website, share it via social media, or send it directly through email. This interactive format is perfect for digital marketing, online portfolios, or educational materials. Creating a flipbook in Canva is a straightforward process that adds a dynamic touch to your digital content. With the right tools and creativity, you can produce a professional-looking flipbook that captivates your audience.